Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a utility trailer with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin the chassis with a 4x8 plate. I'm going to take a 2x2 plate and place it in the top left hand corner where it's hanging over by a set of studs. Then a 1x2 plate. Next, a 1x2 modified plate with ball joint. We're going to place this right here, followed by a 2x2 plate in the bottom left. Then I'm going to muscle in a 6x14 plate right here. Press that down firm. Then we're going to flip this over and place a set of 2x3 plates and two 2x6 plates right here. In these two areas right here, we're going to take a set of 1x2x2 corner plates, place these right here. Let's take a 1x2 plate with Technic hole. I'm going to place a Technic pin right inside. This is going to be our axle. I'm going to place this one right here. Then I'm going to make another one. This time I'm going to have it on the other side. And I'm going to place it right here. Then I'm going to take a few more of these 1x2 plates with Technic hole. I'm going to place this Technic pin right here. I want to make two of these, place these in these two areas, followed by a pair of 1x2x2 corner plates. Set these down right here. These are going to form up the base of our mud guards. While we're here, we're going to do some rear tail lights. So take a 1x2x1x2 downwards angular plate. I'm going to place a 1x1 plate on the face of the angular plate as shown. Make sure everything is secured, and a transparent red round 1x1 flat tile. We're going to place that right on the 1x1 plate. That's if it wants to go on there. Make sure everything is lined up, because these 1x1 plates and tiles can be stubborn to line up. And I'm going to place these in these 1x1 openings right here. And let's secure all this with a 2x6 plate. Set that down there. And further strengthen up around our axles, set of 1x2x2 corner plates. Then a 2x6 plate right in the center here to lock that joint together, followed by another set of 1x2x2 corner plates. This will beef up this area of the chassis. Now I want to flip the chassis over. In this area, a 1x2 modified plate with stick, place that right there. And a set of downwards 1x1 by 1x1 angular plates. These are going to be used to attach our license plate. So I'm going to take a 1x2 flat tile, set that right there, followed by a 1x2 modified plate with stick. Now for the floor, I'm going to take several 2x4 flat tiles. We're going to place these right here. This is going to lock in all these joints. Plus it'll also smooth off the bottom of the utility trailer. Now if you choose, you could put studs on the bottom and to anchor down accessories. And of course some pieces are going to fall off. That's why we are putting the tiles on there. Of course I could have edited that out, but no. Next we're going to take a 1x4x1 fence. I'm going to place this right next to our ball receiver, and then a set of 1x1x1 corner wall panels. Place these right here. They don't make a corner fence, so we'll have to use these. And several more 1x4x1 fences. Place 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. Now this thing's a little bit unstable, so we're going to have to hold underneath to pinch all the joints together. Place that down right there. And we'll place the other ones right here. As shown. To form up our mud guards, take a 1x6 plate. I'm going to take a 1x4 flat tile, place it right in the center, followed by a set of 45-degree slopes that have a little tile on top that look like this. Place these right here, and some 1x1 plates right here on the bottom. Now I want to make two of these, and these are going to go You guessed it, right on these corner plates right here. We're going to place this one right here. Just pinch from the bottom to make sure it's really locked and secure. I'm going to take my other one and place it right here to form up our mud guards. Now we're going to flip the assembly over. I'm going to put some tires on this. So I'm going to take one of these mid-sized tires and this type of rim that takes a Technic pin. I want to make 4 of these, and we're going to put these on as shown. We've got to have 4 on here. This is going to be a little more heavy duty. Place that right there. And for a leveling jack, a holder that takes a 3.2 shaft and a 1x1 plate with a 3.2 shaft. Place this right here. And I want to place this right on this little stick right next to the ball joint. I'm going to flip this back over. For the back, let's start with a 2x6 plate. I'm going to take a 2x3 flat tile with 2 holders, place this right here on the left-hand side, followed by a set of 1x2 radiator grills. Place these right here, and a 2x3 flat tile with 2 clips. And we're going to set this right on these plates with stick. It should snap right in place. A nice ramp to get up into the trailer. And of course, we can just close this up and we're on our way.